So I decided that I'm going to be taking better care of my hair. I am relaxed, but I've been neglecting my hair because I've been wearing wigs and it's convenient to have the braids. I've kept my braids on for like 2-3 months. My hair would get tangled, my hair was dry because I wasn't moisturizing and sealing it. So I've decided I'm not going to do better and I am going to restart my healthy, relaxed hair journey. I'm going to be using this ORS olive oil no-lye relaxer in normal, and I got that at Clicks. I'm going to be using this little brush to apply the relaxer onto my new growth. Then I've got 2 combs, a white tooth comb and the comb with the tail thingy, so I can open up the lines to apply my relaxer. You're going to need a scissor because most of the packs in the relaxer box are plastic and you can't exactly tear them off. And then I'm going to be using these little clips. I've got 4 of these because I'm going to divide my hair into 4 sections. And then I'm going to need an old t-shirt. I dry my hair with an old t-shirt because towels cause frizz. And then you're also going to need a plastic bag for when we do the replenishing conditioner. I'm also going to be using some Vaseline to grease up my ears and the edges of my hair, just so those don't burn. So I'm going to open up this box just so you can see. And what we have in here is the replenishing pack. That's the conditioner I was telling you about. We have the neutralizing shampoo. And then we have the instructions. Always make sure to read the instructions. Then we have the wrap set mousse. I've never actually used this after relaxing. You have a little mixer thingy, and then we have the relaxer activator and the relaxer. Then they include some gloves in the relaxer box, and we've also got the moisturizing hair lotion pack. So my hair has been in a bun for like the whole week. This is my favorite style. And then I'm just going to undo. This is what my hair looks like. Okay, so my hair is pinned, just roughly pinned, and then I'm going to be taking the Vaseline blueseal and I am going to be applying it. I'm going to start with the back because I've learned that starting in the front, the back never gets like fully processed. So you just want to detangle the hair with a white tooth comb. Make sure you detangle all the way. Okay, so I put on a glove and I'm going to use that to put relaxer on my hair. So this is what it looks like. I've done that one corner. I'm going to do the other side of the back, and then I will come back when I have to do the front. I'll use one of the blocks in front so I can show you how I do it on camera. Okay, so I've applied all the relaxer on my hair. I think it's processed enough. So I'm going to prep the water and then I'm going to start rinsing it out first with water. So I've washed out the relaxer and now I'm going to go in with the shampoo that came with it. Okay, so I have washed all the relaxer out until the water ran clear. And now I'm going to take this ORS replenishing pack and I'm going to put that in my hair. Okay, so I've finished applying the replenishing pack onto my hair. I'm just quickly going to give it a comb through. for 45 minutes. I don't have a hooded dryer and I don't have a heated cap, so what I'm going to do is wet a towel in some warm water and just rinse it out, and while it's still warm, put it on my head for 45 minutes so there's a bit of a heat applied. And I'll see you after 45 minutes. Plastic bag. Comb my hair through and then rinse it out. Okay, so I have washed that conditioner out. I haven't applied anything to my hair yet, and I have wrapped my hair in a cotton t-shirt. Okay, so I'm back. It's been about 10 minutes and I'm just going to unwrap my wet hair. Take it out of the t-shirt. And then I am just going to pot it in two. And I'm going to take this Motions leave-in conditioning spray. And I'm just going to spritz my hair with that. To take this ORS moisturizing pack. It came with the relaxer, and I'm just going to put a bit of that on my hair before I blow dry it. So for blow drying my hair, I'm going to use my Lux 3200. It looks like this, and then I'm using the comb attachment, and I'm going to put it on the lowest setting for the heat. I'm going to take my Native Child Shea Butter, and I am just going to apply some of that onto the blow dried side. So I've gone and I've blow dried both sides of the hair. I am quickly going to comb the hair back so I can do a quick length check, because I don't know where my hair is or what it looks like. And if you see a clip in the actual video, my ends look botched, like they're not straight cut, and that is because I had an incident at the salon where the guy that was undoing my cornrows took scissors to my hair because he thought I had pieces of like hair fiber in my cornrows, which I didn't. So he just chopped the back of my hair, and that's why my ends look jagged or whatever. Thank you so much for watching my relaxer at home. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section down below. I will leave the products that I use in the description box, and I will also tell you where I bought my stuff. And that is that. Thank you so much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video.